we got it's a AC wall unit ish. It's working, but it's not blowing out any cold air. So we're gonna crack her open, see what's going on in here. Huh. What we got going on? Of course. Can we get that? Screws gone now. Let's see what we got going on in here. I'm gonna move you over real quick. It's all black in there. Check the fan real quick. And put some gloves on. She's a hottie. Looks like somebody's redone this. It's a newer unit, looks like. Okay, so the fan is working. Contactor's pulled in. Let's see if we got power. Got no power. Check the breaker. Something short. Yeah. Check this out. There's a relay or a cap laying down there. Burn up, it's melting. Got a little fan relay there. Little cap. Let's kill that real quick. The little cap burnt up, boys. Check that out, man. It burnt up. This is arcing off of the metal down there. I don't know what it is I'm standing on. That's a little bitty guy too. That's a 5.5. No, that's a 50. No. It's a 5.5. Definitely arced out, man. She busted that cap. Woo, look at that. Check that out, man. That is all melted down. Looks like I'm gonna have to go get a cap for that. I don't think I got anything that small. That's a little 5.5. That's small, boys. Don't see no wire. This book installation. That's a tiny little blower motor, but yeah, it looked like at one point in time that I got all worked up in there. Got a little brownie. We'll definitely go get us a little 5.5 cap. I might have something like that at the shop. I doubt it. Be a parts run. I gotta get some parts anyways. Alright, so we got the part. This little baby cap put back on there. Let's get this little cap put on there. See if this AC fires up. It's really just a fan. All that we got a problem with, but right now we'll let her dangle. Contactor's working. Oh yeah, working much better. It's sucking some air. What I'm gonna do is I'll kill it, and we can mount this up, secure it somehow. Whoa, scared myself. Yeah, because we can't be letting it lay down there on the bottom like that. It's already got a bunch of wires down there. I don't know what all this is. So I already got a bunch of wires laying down there, so oh, I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'd like to put it right there. I got no strap. Maybe I'll let it hang right there. You know what I mean? Maybe I'll put the zip tie right there. Let it hang off the wires. I don't know. Wish I had a mount for this bad boy, but I don't. Let me see what I can do. So after replacing the cap for the fan, I noticed that the compressor's not kicking. So I'm gonna check the winding on that and see if we're good or not. So I went up and picked up I got a regular gun. I think it's start cap. Yeah, I picked up a start cap for that. Let's see what we can do here. See if we can get the bad boy running. I don't think it's any good, but these wires don't look too pretty. I don't know what's happened in here. These wires are all bogus looking. Let's just turn her on real quick and see if that bad boy chimes up. Sounds like it's running. Yeah. Yep, that's all I need to do. That little bit of cap was just wore out on it. So we'll kill it, close it up, get it all tidy. Cap coming down real good. Need that in the 50s. It's only been running for what, 2 minutes. So it's got a long ways to go. We'll definitely put this in for a filter box install. I think it'll be alright. It's just gonna take a little while because it's 80 plus in here. So we'll call that one for right now. It's at the end of the day. It's 4 o'clock. Nobody's living or nobody's in this apartment, so they're in overseas somewhere. So we'll get in here later on this week and put a filter box in, double check everything, see how that goes.